ask you to attempt this type of question at least once, because you might not get this at the first go itself, because this type of questions are very particular by nature. So these questions generally do have a method to solve them, and if you don't go by it only, you'll get long solutions. The reason I'm showing this type of question is basically JEE Mains actually sometimes takes this type of question. If you check out the PYQ, you will get some particular type of question. So they might take up this one. So let's check this out. So fx is given 2x cube minus 3x square minus x over plus 3 over 2. Now the observation in this question is basically we have to take f of 1 minus x, what it turns out to be. F of 1 minus x eventually turns out to be, luckily, 1 minus f of x itself. So this is actually a relation we will use to solve this integration. So simply once we get this, the first idea that should strike in our mind is basically this x of x by 1 minus something, say 1 minus t. So here dx is negative dt. So let us say this is integration as a. So replacing x by 1 minus t, and therefore changing the limits, also changing the dx to minus d, get this. And next we'll take this minus and switch these limits. Now f of 1 minus t, if you take here, say that f of 1 minus t, so you can see that f of 1 minus t is 1 minus f of, so I write this, and in the very next step, f of 1 minus f of t. So in this relation, if you replace x by f of t, you will get to see that f of 1 minus f of t is nothing other than 1 minus f of t. So a turns out to be dt from 1 over 10 to 9 over 10 minus a itself. So in this method, we can avoid the complexity of the problem. So a turns out to be 2 over 5. I hope you understand this observation itself, because once you get this observation, I think the next step is something we are trained to. Thank you.